Hi everyone, Michael here from Sensus Health and Wellness. How are you guys? Just going to run with you today a quick little fun fact and a bit of a tutorial on how to do foam rolling. So, foam rolling, also known as self-myofascial release, what's it all about? So the idea is that we're using ischemic pressure from almost like a human rolling pin to create pressure within the muscle, but also upon the adhesions that keep the fascia around the muscle restricted, preventing the fibers from stretching to their max capacity, okay? So restricting their movement. These adhesions, if there's enough of them, or if there's one that is big enough and over a longer period of time, can create defects or changes in our posture. So, what I'm going to teach you today is how to use one of these properly. So, here is our muscle fiber, or our myofascia, okay? Now if you see how we've got an adhesion here, that's preventing it from stretching out nicely, okay? So let's put that back in there, nice bit of doing. So, what most people think we can do is take our rolling pin and we just go, yeah, that's really getting rid of it, yeah, that's getting, look at it, it's getting smaller, it's going nowhere. Right, here's where they're going wrong. So, what you want to do is facilitate the muscle fiber. Okay, so we're going to roll to warm up. So we loosen it up. Then what we're going to do is we're going to roll it onto that point where that adhesion is, where those real tender points are. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stretch the muscle out. And then by magic, look, it's got smaller. But it hasn't quite gone. Okay, so we're going to try it again. We're going to take it this time, we're going to stretch the other end of the muscle. We're going to pin it and we're going to stretch the muscle out. And magic, look at that. With enough bit of stretching and pressure, we've helped break down the adhesion. So, very similar with massage, that we create pressure. But most of the times, those of you who had sessions with me, will put pressure on and will mobilise the muscle as well. Okay, so I'll get you to do the movement, or I'll do the movement for you, so you can just have a nice bit of a relaxing, bearably uncomfortable session. Okay, so if you're ever not too sure what I mean, best way I can show this, I'm going to shoot out there. Shoot back in! So, if we do this on our quads, imagine I'm rolling my quads, okay? I'll usually have my legs straight because I'll be face down. But what we're going to do is we're going to find that tender point. I'm going to flex the knee and stretch the muscle, okay? I've pinned the adhesion down. I'm pulling it from both sides. And much like I've shown you with the towel, we're going from this position to that position. Foam rolling for you kids. See you later.